Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of recently popular video that is about a woman with a Torenza passport from a non-existent country. So this video has got really popular and viral all over the social media platforms, and as you can see, every single person is talking about this and saying if it is a review or an actual video. And this video is actually a woman who has arrived at the JFK airport from Tokyo with a passport from a mysterious country called Torenza. So this is basically a nation that doesn't even appear on official maps. So now let's dive in and find out if it actually a legit video. As you can see, a lot of people are talking about this video and no one knows the fact, as once I tried to dive deeper, I got to know that as the video went viral, it led to a wild theories about parallel dimensions, time travel, and government cover-ups. So this is something that is concerning, but once I tried to dive deeper, I got to know this video is completely a bizarre video that shows the women arriving at the immigration counter, and this is pretty much a video that is created by artificial intelligence, and this is not a real person or a true event. So this was the video that was actually just created to gain attention and to gain views, and it seems like it actually happened to be successful at this, because it has gone really popular and a lot of social media platforms and even the official news channels are talking about this. So in conclusion, I would say like this is just an AI video that was created to gain attention and views. So I hope this review was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video and hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.